Hi, this is Nicholas from Arium. Today we're going to take a look at how to e-sign a document on both Mac and iOS. Let's start with the Mac. Let's assume we have been sent a PDF document to sign. Let's open up Mail and navigate to the email with the document. Here we can see that the document requires a signature and a date before being returned. We can do this right inside of Mail using an OS feature called Markup. If you right or control click on the PDF document, you can choose Share Reply To. This will create a new email addressed to the sender of the document with the PDF as an attachment. If we then hover our cursor over the top right-hand corner of the PDF, we get a little down-facing chevron. Clicking this reveals a menu with Markup as an option. Click on Markup to take you to the Markup interface. Across the top of the Markup window, we get several tools, one of which is the Signature button. Clicking on this reveals a popover that has three options: Trackpad, Camera, and iPhone or iPad. The first option, Trackpad, allows you to use the built-in or paired trackpad to draw a signature. Click Done when finished, and the newly created signature is added to the signature list in the popover. Clicking Create Signature allows us to add another. If we choose iPhone or iPad, we get to choose a device that is associated with the same Apple ID. Here we choose an iPhone. Once selected, we can use the multi-touch display on the iPhone to draw a signature. Again, once finished, clicking Done will add the newly created signature to the signature list in the popover. The last option that is available on devices with an iSight camera is Camera. This will require you to write your signature onto a piece of plain white paper with a black ink. You'll then hold this signature up to the iSight camera and the Mac will scan it in and add it to the signatures list. Once we have created a signature that we are happy with, we can choose it from the signatures list. Markup will place it into the document for us to move into place or resize as necessary. Next, we will use a text box to add the date. Clicking the text box tool in the toolbar adds a new text box to the document. Again, we can drag it into place, and double-clicking inside lets us select and adjust the text. With the text selected, clicking the Formatting tool gives us a popover with controls for adjusting the text. We can change the colour, font size, emphasis and justification. We also have access to all of the fonts installed on the system. When we are happy with our markup, selecting Done in the top right corner will commit those edits to the document. We can then send the document back e-signed. If we have a document to sign that was not sent via an email, then we can achieve the same thing. First, we locate the file on our system and right-click and choose Share Mail. This creates a new email with the document attached. We need to fill in the recipient's address and subject, but all of the markup controls are accessible as before. On iOS, the procedure is largely the same. First, we navigate to our email that has the document that we wish to e-sign. Next, long press the document to reveal a context menu. Select Markup and Reply to add the document to a new email and immediately enter the markup interface. Let's navigate to the place we want to put our signature and select the plus button on the toolbar. Another context menu allows us to choose Signature. If we have previously added a signature, we can select it from the list to add to the document, or click Add or Remove Signature to generate a new one. Once in the document, we can move it into place and scale if necessary. To add the date, we can select the pen tool and write directly onto the document. Selecting Done in the top left commits our changes to the document and allows us to choose how we wish to create the email. Again, if we wish to e-sign a document that is not in Mail, we navigate to the file and long press it to reveal the context menu and scroll down to the Share option. From here, we choose Mail, which puts our document into a new email. Now, if we long press the document within the email, we get the Edit menu from which we can select Markup, giving us the tools to accomplish the e-signing task. Be sure to check out the other tips that we have on our blog by visiting arium.co.uk/blog.